Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this easy and nice stitch. You can use it for your blankets or shawls or cardigans. You can use it anywhere you want, and it's so easy to make. I use a cotton yarn with this, and I will use the same yarn again. It's this, and 5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. At first I will start with a slip knot like that, and then chain multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. I think that's enough. Now turn and skip this first chain into the second chain. Insert your hook, take the yarn over and pull it through from these 2 loops. Make a single crochet. And into the very next stitch here, just make a single crochet, then yarn over, insert your hook into same chain, yarn over and pull it through from the chain, yarn over and pull it through from these 3 loops, and make a half double crochet. Yarn over again, insert your hook into same chain, take the yarn over and pull it through from first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops, and make a double crochet. Just skip 1, 2 chain into this 3rd chain, make a single crochet and half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 and into the 3rd one, make a single, half double and double. Skip 2 and make it one more time, single, half double and double. Now skip 2 and into that last chain, yarn over and make a double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. And do you remember how we start? We start with a single crochet, and then into the next stitch we made single, half and double crochet. We will start like that. Into that first double crochet stitch we will make a single crochet, and into the next double crochet stitch here, you see that's double, that's half double and single. Into that double crochet stitch, make a single and half double and double crochet. Now I will skip this half double and single and make a single crochet into the next double crochet and make a half double and double. Skip half double, single and make a single, half double, double. Skip that once, and here there's a huge opening because when I make this one my camera turns off and I just keep showing. Then I make this row, then I realize that I didn't broadcast it, so it's like that. Now I will make a single here and half double, double. And when I came to the end, I will make a double crochet into that single crochet. And that's the row 2. For the row 3, just chain 1 and turn, make a single crochet into first double crochet, and into the second double crochet make a single and half double and double. Skip 2 and into the next double crochet stitch make the same thing, skip 2 and just keep doing like that. It's very easy, as you see. And now I am using a bigger crochet hook. When I came to the end, I will make a double crochet again. I use bigger crochet hook that the yarn recommends to use, because I want to make it loosely. It looks good like that. And then I will just make a chain and keep repeating the same pattern. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there and you can write the comments below. I really love your read your comments. It gives me the courage to make these videos, and thanks for your lovely comments, and thanks for watching me too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.